As for iMadlanga Commission, some they don't take it serious cause uma sithi sikubone konke ngaBrown Mkgosi, Vumbu, uDr Mashazi, uGeli akayingeni, uGeli nje uphumile lana. Bambuta ama-question, uyatihlekela ngasothi uthi hi on something. Bayambuta ukuthi 1 2 3 hi, ngicela uphendule le question. Yena nje indlela ayisebenta ngayo ukuthi sorry, ngicela uphendule question. Babethi bayalalela, akaphenduli nje. So guys, asibeni fair and honest la. These people, they don't take this commission serious because bayati ukuthi batohamba free after kwalokho. Lo mama lo, the only thing nje bekaye lapha bekaye kofletha, ahlekelele, avete ama-makeup labovu, ma-lipstick. Kude lokhu serious kuye la bekakuphendula cause yonke into la bambuta yona uthi I don't remember. Maybe yes, maybe no. Ma-answer la bekasinika ona lawo. Saze savelelwa siyi-country. Sayophashelwa nje isalukazi esingaka esidala esibhekisa okwengane encane. Mara vele kufanele. How can a nurse become umuntu lo setulu ngale ndlela ebeka ngayo? As a country sometimes siyavelelwa. And this attitude yema-employee our government ngile siwafeyisa every day. This is our daily bread. Like sijwayele. Wena uya ka-Home Affairs batokwentela so badrayise emehlo bawayisilile le uye clinic uthola yona le. So guys, let's hope ukuthi uyadi ukuthi lapha akayanga kudlala cause ufika nalenye energy but from lapho few minutes later yabe seyidropile energy. Yabe seyiku level 0 cause bashite wayekwangathi ukuthiniwe waseya kona vele ngithiniwe but ngifuna kwenda ngiqetse ngalokhu. It's like uyancengwa ukuthi aye lapha. Lo mama uyati ukuthi wa-accuse ngezinto ezingakanani. What uthi nawafoswa ukuthi arizane because bebamsabisa ngema-sex tape la akhona, sexual nje into ezinjalo. Mara the way asikhombisa ngakhona attitude yakhe, awa une-attitude lo gogo cause mdala yes, une-attitude shem. And akabuboni ubu-serious balesi situlo lahleli kuso. Akabuboni ubu-serious bokuthi aphendule into ekunguye. Hayi. So today bekunjalo-ke guys. Please like, comment and subscribe. Ngidonibona video elandelayo. Bye.